Hello friends, today we are going to discuss some of the most important questions from two-port networks which are always being asked in all the state engineering exams. As we have already discussed and studied two-port networks, all the easiest methods to find all the parameters from a given circuit and how to find all the parameters from a given parameter in a easiest way. So if you want to watch it, you can go there and watch it in my previous videos. So let's start for today. We are having here question number 1, which is what is the condition for symmetry for z and y parameters. The condition for symmetry for z parameter is z11 equal to z22, and for y parameters it is y11 equal to y22. Next question, which parameter is called open circuit parameter? So the parameter which is called open circuit is z parameter. Next question, what is the condition for reciprocity for z and y parameters? So the condition for reciprocity for z parameter is z12 equal to z21, and for y parameters it is y12 equal to y21. Next question, which parameter is called short circuit parameter? So the short circuit parameter is y parameter. Next question is, if all the impedances of a network are doubled, then the new T parameters will be. So after doubling all the impedances of the given network, the new T parameters will be, what are the T parameters? T parameters are ABCD parameter. So here we go, A and D will remain same, and the B will be DOUBL doubled, and the C will be half of the previous value. So after doubling all the impedances, we can find out T parameters easily from the given T parameters. Next question, if the load is capacitive in Garreter, then what will be the input impedance? So capacitive load is having inductive input impedance. So the input impedance will be inductive. Next question, what are the T parameters of transformer? In transformer, we can only find out T parameters. We cannot find out Z and Y parameters, because in an ideal transformer, we assume that self-inductance and mutual inductance both are infinite. So the T parameters of a transformer will be N, 0, 0 and 1 by N. Here N is turn ratio. Next question, what is the condition for symmetry for T and S parameter? So the condition for symmetry for T parameter is A equal to D. T parameter is ABCD parameter, and for H parameter it is H11 equal to H22. Next question is, what is the condition for reciprocity for T and H parameter? So the condition for reciprocity for T parameter is AD minus BC equal to 1. That is determinant of T equal to 1. And for H parameter it is equal to 1. Next question, what are the T parameters for Garreter? So the T parameters are 0, A, 1 by A and 0, where A is Garreter input resistance, or you can say Garreter resistance. So here we have discussed 10 most important questions from two-port networks. Some of the questions are always there in all the state engineering exams. You can always find them there. So if you like my video, please share it and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. So here we have discussed 10 most important questions from two-port networks. Some of the questions are always there in all the state engineering exams. You can always find them there. So if you like my video, please share it and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.